Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to solve yet another task of 100 days of AWS challenge by KodeKloud engineer. So in today's task we need to create an EC2 instance. So before creating EC2 we need to understand what is basically EC2 is. So EC2 is a service in AWS that allow us to create virtual servers in the cloud to run the application, host website and many more. So just like we have a server in our physical data center where we host our application, so in AWS cloud whenever we want to host our application or host our website we use EC2 instances. So let's proceed to create EC2 instance. So log into AWS Cloud via given credentials and go to EC2 dashboard. In EC2 dashboard click on launch instance, and here we need to specify the requirements of our EC2. So the name of the EC2 is DevOps EC2. Let's paste this, and then we need to specify the Amazon machine image of our EC2 instance. So in this task we need to select Amazon Linux as our AMI. So what is AMI? So AMI is pre-configured template containing OS and software needed to launch an EC2. So in this case we need to select Amazon Linux, which is already selected. You can choose whatever you want according to your use case. And then we need to specify the instance type. So instance type is basically the CPU memory or the performance of a EC2. So in this we need to specify the instance type of T2 micro. Select T2 micro, and then here we need to specify a new key pair, which is DevOps key pair. So click on create new key pair and paste the name of key pair. Then click on create key pair, and we need to attach the default security group to our EC2 instance. So click on under the security group, click on select existing security group and click on the default security group, and this is it. Click on launch instance, verify the creation of instance, and here our instance has been created. So and it is in running state. So let's verify the task. Yes,